Hello YouTube, it's Jimmy Walters. I know in my previous video I said that would be my last ever video and that I'd be switching my channel to Death Gamer 99. That name might change, but I can guarantee you this is the very last video. And the reason I came up with this video, which this is Unity, which is a game creation software. I know a lot of people like to program, make games as a hobby because, you know, technology is a big part of today's society. So I thought that I would show you guys a little bit about it. I'm still learning myself, but I'm using this book, which I highly recommend for a lot of you to get to help you guys. It's called Beginning 3D Game Development with Unity, World's Most Widely Used Multi-Platform Game Engine by Sue Blackman. And it looks like this. It is a very big book. Very, very big. And I know I skipped a bunch of chapters. I recommend not doing that. But I just thought I'd show you, as you can see, Chapter 4, Terrain Generation, Creating a Test Environment. Now, I am not going to exactly read every word out of here due to copyright, and that I do not want to do. But I just thought I would recommend this book, and I'm using it as a resource. So, what you do, as you see, terrain is made. Now, if you don't know how to make a terrain, you just go up to Game Object and create Other, and go down to Terrain. And also, this is not the Unity Pro or Unity 3D. This is, I guess, just plain Unity. Okay, so anyway, ignore this little thing down here. I don't know. I was adding a wind zone for some reason. I don't know why. Okay. Now all I am going to show you guys is simply how to do terrain, like make mountains, do grass tint. Now as you see, the grass tint is the way grass should be. I made it green, but it's not showing up here. That's normal. So don't worry about it if it doesn't show up. Don't freak out or nothing. It just doesn't it might show up if I choose game. Okay, no, it's blank screen. Okay. Well, anyway, I'm just gonna show you how to do the easiest way to make some mountains. And also, sorry about all the shakiness. I'm gonna fix that. But okay, so you have the terrain. Now, I believe this is what you go to. Yes. You go to the one on the far left. It's like a mountain with the up arrow key. As you see, you click on that, and then it says raise, lower terrain. Click to raise, hold down shift to lower. Now, you have a choice of all of these different textures to use. I'm going to show you every single one. That one really doesn't do anything, so you might not want to use that one. That's up to you. That made it go down, okay. Now we're gonna actually, let's try this one. Okay, that sinks it. Now let's try these. In my opinion, are the best ones. This one, this one, this one, and maybe these three. I haven't tried these three. So actually, let's try them. Oh, okay. Okay, there we are. Okay. Sorry about all this taking time. Jeez. Okay, well, we're not gonna worry about that, I guess. Here, let's try. Well, they don't really do that good. If you use something like this, it makes the mountains look really realistic. Okay, the terrain has disappeared. This happens a lot too. Your terrain can disappear. And if that happens, the only thing I can think of is just delete it. So, let me just make a terrain that... Now see, this is, again, how you make a terrain. You scroll down to terrain. Oh, okay. And it's still not showing up. Okay. Sorry about these technical difficulties. If this happens to you, just simply exit out of Unity, I guess. Yeah, you want to save it. Okay. Go back to Unity. Okay. I'm gonna also, once I learn more about Unity and how it works and stuff, I'm going to start making more gameplay videos, or gameplays, I'm sorry, more tutorial videos for Unity. There's more than just that. There's also like Maya, I don't even know how you pronounce that. So there's not just Unity, but I recommend, if you're wanting to make something very simple, to just use Unity. So I'm gonna try one more time to get you guys the terrain so I can show you the rest of the brushes. I think the terrain just now popped up. Oh. I don't know. There we go. Okay. Oh, that's great. That's great. So, it's... Okay, well, I guess to get... as long as this diagram with the axes shows up, just keep on zooming into that and it'll eventually pop up. Okay, well, I already showed you, but I'll show you again. You go there. Okay, I'm gonna show you this texture. Look at this. This makes actually some pretty amazing mountains. And mountains will contribute in a big part of your game if you're wanting to make something pretty good. Well, I mean, you can still have a good game without mountains, but I'm saying, like, just if you want to have a good open world game. And also, if you use Unity Basic, I believe you cannot release your video game for any console. It has to be for PC, Android, or you can release it at, like, for Android or iOS, stuff like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, and I would say usually subscribe, but I guess just like, I will actually have another video, but it'll have a link with my new channel, and I hope you all enjoy. Later.